A wall is started for and dedicated to defense. Our ancestors built wooden houses against attack, but they got easily destroyed by flood or fire. During the Troy period, Trojan horse could easily take over the city. The military used ciphers to keep information safe, but computers easily brought them down. Americans invented firewalls, the greatest wall ever, but threats came along with fast-changing networks. BYOD gives us efficiency, but borders become wide open. Social networking delivers convenience, but also generates false information. Cloud computing makes things easier, but it's virtual and constantly changing. Security was never consistent. Greatness is continuing.